Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain what the Netherlands invented. We will explore several remarkable innovations that originated from this small but influential country. From scientific instruments that changed our understanding of the universe to everyday technologies, Dutch inventors have consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible. Get ready to discover some fascinating contributions to the world. First, let's look at an invention that expanded our view of the universe. The telescope, a groundbreaking optical instrument, was developed in the Netherlands in the early 1600s. Often credited to Hans Lippershey, this device allowed people to observe distant objects with unprecedented clarity. It fundamentally transformed astronomy, revealing the moons of Jupiter and the phases of Venus, forever changing our understanding of the cosmos. Next, let's delve into the world of the incredibly small. The compound microscope, a pivotal invention, also emerged from the Netherlands around the turn of the 17th century. This device, often attributed to Zacharias Janssen, allowed scientists to magnify objects up to 9 times their actual size, revealing microorganisms and cellular structures previously invisible to the human eye. It fundamentally transformed our understanding of life. Moving from the microscopic to the aquatic, the Netherlands also pioneered underwater exploration. The first functional submarine was designed and built by Cornelis Drebbel in the early 1600s. His innovative vessel, powered by 12 oarsmen, could remain submerged for up to 3 hours at a depth of 15 feet. This remarkable invention laid the foundational groundwork for all future submarine technology.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.